Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you three different types of search engines created using Google's VertexAI Agent Builder and Google's Cloud Storage. The first search engine will retrieve the results from a public website, which is cloud.google.com. The second search engine retrieves information about movies from a structured dataset stored in Google Cloud Storage. And finally, we will use the third search engine to retrieve data from earnings report PDFs, which contain unstructured data from the Alphabet investor site. At the end, we will show you the analytics of our search engines that can help us evaluate performance and user engagement. If you want more information about how we created these search engines, you can go to this blog where we have explained everything in great detail. So let's move on to the website and test the search engines. Here is a simple website that we have created for this demo. We have integrated all three search engines into it. So let's start with the website search engine and see the results. We will search a query related to the Google Cloud, such as provide me the details of VertexAI Agent Builder. So as you can see, it returned multiple results along with the links that you can go to for detailed information. So let's click this first link and see where it takes us. So it takes us to the Google Cloud documentation where we can find everything about the VertexAI Agent Builder service. Let's go back to our website and search for another Google Cloud service. This time we will enter give details of Cloud Run. So again, it returned multiple results along with the links that we can go to for detailed information. Let's move on to the next search engine that contains information related to movies. We will start by entering give me the list of funny movies. So as you can see, it returned a list of funny movies along with all details related to each movie. Let's enter another query, and this time we will enter just a movie name to see what result it returns. So we will enter Harry Potter. So as you can see, it returned the list of all Harry Potter movies along with the complete details of each movie. Finally, we will go to the third search engine and ask some questions. So we will enter what factors are driving Google Cloud's revenue growth. So it returned multiple search results, and this time it returned the PDF links that we can go to for more detailed information. Let's click one of the link and see where it takes us. So it takes us to the PDF file that contains the details related to our query. You can scroll down and find more information about it. Now let's go back to the website and ask another question. This time, let's search for something related to a specific year, like what strategies are in place to sustain YouTube revenue, revenue growth in 2022. Again, It returned multiple results, and this time, as you can see, the results are specific to the year that we entered. So at last, let me show you the analytics of our search engines. So I'm already here in the analytics page of our second search engine, and you can see the similar type of results for the other search engines as well. Here you can see the search counts, the top 100 search queries, and many other details. So that concludes this demo. If you want more information on how we created these search engines, you can go to the blog link for a step-by-step guide where we have explained everything in great detail. I hope you liked this demo. Thanks for watching.